Hello YouTube, this is Philip 20 today, and we've got a Morningstar charge controller and two Renogy charge controllers, and I went ahead and built two bus bars for Troy at the Do-It-Yourself World Off-Grid project. I came down on a vacation. He was close by to the vacation, so I came down to give him a hand on some of his stuff. This is basically a whole panel that's going to be holding his charging system. All of his positive wires from his charge controller that go to the battery attach directly to this aluminum bar, which is going to be considered our circuit that's going to go straight to the battery, and that's going to be the positive side, and this is the negative side, and we're going to consider it the bus bar. You got the positive side here, the positive side here, and the positive side here going to the positive bus bar, and the negative, negative, and negative going to the other bus bar. So we're separating these bus bars so we can benefit the charge output. All the connections on this system is now soldered on the charge controller side, and I wanted you guys to go ahead and see this because it's something that needed to be done. And if any other further stuff, here shortly, I may get some more video directly out of the off-grid project. So this is Philip 20 with solar power, electricity, and electronics, and I will holler at y'all here in a little bit. Hey YouTube, I'm back. We're fixing to put this inverter right here, and here it is. We're going to mount it, and we're going to mount another one right below it. So let's go ahead and get started with it. Look at that. Fail. I can just slide that right there. If I could have my friend Chris, the gentleman, hold this wire off of these battery terminals, yeah, that'd be awesome.
What about the big boy? Where are you going to put the big boy?
Right here.
It's not going to fit.
We could put it right here.
It's too...
We could flush it right here because we're going to change these wires, right?
I'm going to close that hole. Yeah. We can take out that hole.
Can you hold that and I'll just put the screw in partially there. Looks like we hit a stud.
That's a good thing.
I just dropped a bottle of something on my foot.
I was worried.
No, it didn't hit my foot.
You may want to move the other ones.
You what?
There's that one right there.
That one?
No, yeah.
I'll move it there. Over here. There I go again. Okay, now this is going to go on the negative terminal that Troy has designated the power side, I think. Yes, that's going to go right here. And it don't reach. So I'm going to have to reduce the height. I think I'm going to switch this chuck. Oh. That should get us in a spot that our circuit will reach. And it does. Now we need to tie in our positive terminal from here to right here. And we should have plenty of wire for that. So we're just gonna grab a pair of channel locks. Troy has been using white for positive, so that's what I'm going to use for him. Now we got that there. And now we have this terminal here, and we need a lug. Here's a lug. Be right back with a crimper.